Day today. Some Santa Claus.
Bibili na pala pang Christmas tree.
We are here again in Day today.
Walang star.
Dito to. Ha?
Party section to enter 16 please, party section. Towel section counter 18 please, towel section counter 18 please.
Ito maka. Anong maganda ba sa white Christmas?
Ako laging pula at gold.
Red? Ito na lang ang usahan.
Oo.
Gagawa lang ako.
Ladies section counter 14 please. Ladies section counter 14 please.
Chan.
Yung ikot-ikot, yun ba yun?
Oo. Yan.
Mr. Badil to counter 10 please.
Mm. Oo, maganda. White. Pwede din gold. Pero mas maganda yung white.
Masakit ba na? Or no?
Oh. Iyan na yun. Pwede yun. Silver. Pwede mong i-combination din doon sa gold.
We have
Gold din naman yung decorate mo. Kaya lang hindi na siya lumitaw yung ano niya pag
Ladies section counter 14 please. Ladies section counter 14 please.
It's not the same. You say we were going to buy small pieces.
very small, like that. No, maybe like this.
Carpet section counter 18 please. Carpet section counter 18 please.
handa na
Decoration
sila sa
section to counter
Christmas
1 please.
tree.
Decoration please.
Mga
95 lang.
Christmas
95?
decorate here because it's already November, October.
Get it.
Ay, kung ito, mix.
Get it.
Pwede din.
10, 95.
Mayroon na lahat. Pero wala siyang ano.
May 10 pala.
Ha? May red na.
Mami, this is 10.95 lang. Cheap. Yum, yum, yum.
Nako,